Let's take a moment to understand why it's so important to back up your files. Imagine you've spent hours working on a critical project, collecting important data, and creating valuable documents. But suddenly, disaster strikes. Your computer crashes, or worse, it gets stolen. Without a backup, all your hard work could be lost forever. That's where backing up your files becomes crucial. Data loss can happen due to various reasons: hardware failures, malware attacks, accidental deletions, or even physical damage to your devices. And let's not forget the risks of theft or natural disasters. Any of these incidents can lead to the permanent loss of your files. But with a reliable backup system in place, you can minimize the impact and protect your valuable data. Backing up your files provides you with peace of mind. It ensures that even if something unexpected happens to your computer or devices, you'll still have access to your important documents, cherished photos, and other precious files. Plus, it saves you from the frustration and potential financial loss that comes with recreating lost data. Another advantage of backing up your files is the convenience it offers. With cloud-based backup solutions like GetBackup, you can access your files from anywhere, using any device with an internet connection. It's like having a virtual copy of your data that travels with you, providing you with flexibility and accessibility. Furthermore, backing up your files allows you to sync your data across multiple devices. So, whether you're working on your computer, editing on your tablet, or simply browsing on your smartphone, you can seamlessly access and update your files, keeping everything in sync. To sum it up, backing up your files is essential because it safeguards your data from unexpected events like hardware failures, theft, or accidental loss. It provides peace of mind, saves you from the hassle of recreating lost data, and offers convenient access to your files across various devices. So, don't delay any further. Start backing up your files today using GetBackup or any reliable backup solution. Trust me, you'll thank yourself in case of an unfortunate event. That's all for today's video. If you found this information helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Click the link in the description and take the free tour. Until next time, stay safe and keep those backups up to date.